everyone. Thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. We are back and trimming our 2023 Hyundai Tucson with wet glue. You can see here. And sadly, there is no easy way to do this without getting glue on your tools. It's just one of those things you're going to have to deal with. So you get everything kind of prepped out here and just accept the fact that you're going to need to clean your tools after you're done here. So I'm going to trim off this top piece here. Usually when we're trimming our glue on these or on mini cars, what we usually do is we will trim this and then just let it hang on the inside as we get to the other side. We do not want to do that with this because we don't want any kind of wet urethane on the body or on our headliner. So once we get across to here, we're just going to lift that up and cut that off there. And make sure you get this all wrapped up in your hand so you don't wind up with glue getting everywhere. Don't want to drag that. Removing those pillar moldings definitely makes it easier to trim all of this. Come around the corner here, do our best not to get it on our hood. And we're going to switch blades here for a minute while we go across the bottom, like so. And same thing, we're just going to lift this up a little bit and trim that off. Set that right there. And then switch sides here. And as always, fun and games dealing with wet glue. Going to finish our trim across the top here. Grab our little bit sticking up there. Make sure we keep wrapping that up into our hand. Can get down out of the door there and pull down the side here. Make sure you don't pull too hard because you don't want to snap the glue off right there and then wind up dropping that bit down into the vehicle. I'm just going to finish that cut right there. And then we will finish our cut across the bottom here. Like so. Make sure that we don't let that touch the interior. Got that all trimmed, everything's nice and clean. We can finish prepping our glass, get it primered up, and we'll set the new glass. And again, wearing that second set of gloves, now I can just remove these like so, and we are all good. Okay, we'll do right there, but we are ready to go ahead and clean off our tools, and we don't have to put on a nice wet glove or a new glove over a wet hand. We'll clean these tools off and get this new windshield set. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.